Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to your Binance wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to open your Coinbase wallet right here, then go to the second section on the bottom where you can see your assets. Now from here, as you can see, all your crypto is going to be right there, and so you're going to click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, click on send crypto. Now you're going to need the crypto wallet. So all you have to do is go out, then open your Binance account. Now from here, as you can see, this is my wallet, and so I'm going to my portfolio. Then from here, you're going to click on add funds, and then you're going to deposit crypto. Now you're going to search for whatever cryptocurrency you might like. So for example, I'm going to choose Solana, and then from here, it's going to tell you to choose the network. So for this one, I'm going to choose Solana network. And there you go. Now I have my address right here. All I have to do is click on copy, go out, go back to Coinbase, and then from here, you're going to simply paste it. Once you paste it, the option is right there. Click on it, and then from here, you're going to click on here, and there you go. This is the Solana amount. You can click on it. Then once you do that, then it will receive to your phone instantly to your Binance account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.